Hey, how you doing? This is Syed from affiliateship.com, and in this video I want to talk about one of the do not do's in affiliate marketing. So today we're going to talk about direct linking. Okay, so when you're promoting affiliate offers, it's very easy just to direct link to an affiliate offer, right? But this could be the worst thing you could do in this day and age anyways. So maybe back in the days when affiliate marketing was in its infancy, you could get away with it and make sales. But if you do it now, then you run the risk of making no sales or even low conversions, very low conversions. This is simply because average conversion rates on cold traffic can be very low, and it varies depending on the type of products. But let's say out of 100 people you send, majority of those people are likely to leave your site without buying. So you're basically wasting your traffic this way. Better strategy is to have some sort of a landing page that at least captures their email address so that you can follow up with them and of course build your list. Here's some proven methods. Method number one: create a landing page with free lead magnet relating to the subject of the offer. Ask your visitors to opt in for the lead magnet and subscribe to your newsletter. Then redirect them to a bridge page which pre-frames them and talks to them about the lead magnet and assures them that it's on its way to their inbox. Then introduce the affiliate product that you're going to promote, the features, benefits as an upsell or an OTO. Method number two: create a pre-frame content pages. In these pages you provide some high value information relating to your subject of which the affiliate offer is about, and at the end you could have a opt-in page for a lead magnet relating to the subject of the affiliate offer. The opt-in will ask for your visitors to opt in for the lead magnet and of course subscribe to your newsletter. So your aim is to get people on your email list. Then once they subscribe, you can, like method one, redirect your visitor to the bridge page which pre-frames them and talks about the lead magnet and assures them again that it's on their way to the inbox. Then you can introduce the affiliate product, the features and benefits as an upsell or an OTO. So remember, when you're promoting affiliate offers, always have that strategy in mind to be always building your list first. Then you promote your affiliate offers, because affiliate offers can come and go, but your list will stay with you and can provide you a sustainable longevity in your business. In fact, your email list will be the biggest asset that you will have in your affiliate business. Your email list will provide you with free hot traffic that you can email offers to when you want and where you want, subject to you building a good relationship with your subscribers. Your communication with your list should lead with more value than promotions. A rule of thumb many marketing experts mention is that you should provide 80% value and 20% promotions. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video, and if you did like it, please like, subscribe and comment. And if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, I have some for you on this website, affiliateship.com/free. I've also put the link in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching. See ya.